Today I want to talk to you about knowledge, and knowledge is simply knowing. Now, there's a couple of different categories that we can break up knowledge. We have what we know that we know. We have what we know that we don't know. Those are things that, like, hey, I'm going to work on this. I need to learn more about this. Then we have the tricky one, the one where we think we know what we know. And then the last one, which is what we don't know that we don't know. So out of all of those, which one do you think is the most costliest one? If you said the last one, you're probably right. Now, some may argue that what we think we know and actually don't know, it could be costly, and it can be. But I think, just like in boxing, they say the hardest punch or the worst punch is the one you don't see. And so when we don't know that we don't know something, that costs us opportunity, it costs us peace of mind, it can cost us money, it can cost us relationships, a whole lot of cost and opportunity costs that come along with that. So in the words of Biggie, if you don't know, now you know.